This is the AI News Flash for May 31st, 4 a.m. UTC. First up, Wall Street Journal exclusive feature reports institutional investors have entered the high-stakes hunt for the next Amazon in the AI Haystack, marking a decisive shift to rigorous selection of long-term winners. Money managers face a 1990s dot-com-era parallel selection challenge. Infrastructure giants like OpenAI, Anthropic, NVIDIA, and SpaceX have reached trillion-dollar valuations, but identifying true long-term winners in the application layer and agentic AI domain remains extremely difficult. OpenAI approaches a $1 trillion valuation, while Anthropic surpasses $30 billion in ARR, achieving the fastest revenue scaling in venture history. Amid the $725 billion combined 2026 CapEx boom from 4 hyperscalers, the AI industry IPO three-way race intensifies, with SpaceX targeting a $1.75 trillion valuation and $50 billion June IPO, the largest in history. Meanwhile, Michael Burry's $1.1 billion put options against AI stocks, IMF warnings on private credit AI bubble overheating, and Bridgewater's dangerous phase warnings signal institutional investor caution. The clear divergence between AI wrapper companies and true AI native SaaS marks 2026 as a pivotal turning point for AI investment strategy. Second story, Motley Fool exclusive analysis reveals AI chip giant Broadcom has quietly become worth more than Tesla, reaching a historic milestone that many investors continue to overlook. Broadcom's rapid market cap expansion stems from custom AI silicon partnerships with 6 major customers: Google, Meta, Anthropic, OpenAI, Fujitsu, and ByteDance. The company directly benefits from the $725 billion combined 2026 CapEx boom from 4 hyperscalers, becoming the largest beneficiary. CEO Hock Tan predicts AI semiconductor revenues will exceed $100 billion by 2027. Q1 FY 2026 results show $19.3 billion in revenue with 29% year-over-year growth. AI semiconductor sales doubled to $8.4 billion. Anthropic's 1 to 3 gigawatt TPU shipment expansion, OpenAI's first chip in 2027, and Meta's 5-year strategic partnership extended to 2029 for 2-nanometer AI chip co-development accelerate the diversification away from NVIDIA's $5.5 trillion dominance. Compared to Tesla's autonomous driving, Optimus humanoid robot, and physical AI strategy, Broadcom's custom silicon AI ecosystem dominance establishes decisive differentiation. This marks the most important milestone for second-phase AI semiconductor investment theme beneficiaries in 2026. Third story, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has formally articulated his AI talent thesis. As AI becomes common, human judgment becomes scarce. This represents a fundamental paradigm shift in talent strategy for the AI era. Huang's core argument: as AI technology rapidly proliferates and AI model capabilities homogenize, human domain expertise, critical thinking, ethical judgment, and creativity become increasingly scarce and valuable. He emphasizes maintaining human authority over final decision-making in AI systems as critically important. With AI-related layoffs accumulating over 158,000 and white-collar employment structurally collapsing, the urgent need to redefine human worker roles in the agentic AI era has reached industry leadership consciousness. This aligns with Goldman Sachs' prediction of 300 million jobs affected by AI automation and Dallas Federal Reserve data, showing 13% employment decline in AI-related occupations for 22 to 25-year-olds. Meanwhile, Huang positions AI as a human capability augmentation tool with full optimism. NVIDIA's plan to offer employees AI tokens equivalent to half their salary as a fourth pillar of compensation contrasts with IBM tripling new graduate hiring, Harvard significantly reducing new graduate hiring, and Accenture mandating AI literacy. This deepens AI talent strategy polarization, marking 2026 as the most important milestone for AI-era talent strategy. Fourth story, Forbes exclusive analysis reports AI technology has fundamentally transformed hard disk drive storage demand, marking a decisive milestone for the second-phase AI infrastructure storage layer core players. Behind explosive AI data center demand expansion, large-capacity nearline HDD demand faces severe structural shortages. Seagate Technology has established a dominant supplier position, achieving record performance driven by strong AI storage demand. The stock has surged 39% year-to-date. Amid the explosive expansion of AI training and inference workloads, Structural shortages of large-capacity, low-cost storage demand urgent response. Under the $725 billion combined 2026 CapEx boom from 4 hyperscalers. Seagate's hard drives utilizing heat-assisted magnetic recording HAMR new technology accelerate large-capacity, ultra-high-density AI data center storage product mass production. Micron's 245TB ultra-large SSD shipments, HBM 2026 complete sellout, and record profits at SK Hynix, Samsung, and Micron's 3 major memory suppliers create a defining moment of trillion-dollar companies emerging in the AI semiconductor ecosystem. Seagate's hard drive layer differentiation accelerates, positioning this as the most important milestone for 2026 AI storage layer investment theme. Fifth story. China successfully launched new Internet technology test satellites, marking a decisive shift to full-scale space Internet infrastructure construction. This represents a major milestone in the U.S.-China space Internet supremacy race. The China National Space Administration announced the successful morning launch on May 31st of multiple new Internet technology test satellites placed into low Earth orbit. This marks a full-scale shift to low-orbit satellite constellation construction, with AI networking and next-generation communication infrastructure integration accelerating amid intensifying global space Internet competition. Under SpaceX Starlink's dominant structure, with over 6,000 low Earth orbit satellite constellation, China's independent satellite internet network construction strategy formally counters. This parallels Amazon Project Kuiper and OneWeb global satellite internet competition trends, but China's national strategy commitment is now clearly defined. Under the 15th Five-Year Plan positioning AI strategy at its core, and China's independent AI ecosystem self-reliance construction trend, space, internet network, AI, military and civilian application formalization reaches a decisive juncture. Amid prolonged U.S. export controls on AI semiconductors to China, China's independent space infrastructure construction accelerates, marking a new dimension in the U.S.-China AI military supremacy race and a critical 2026 milestone. That's all for this AI News Flash.